Hi, my name is Celeste. I'm a senior studying mechanical engineering. I'm at home in San Pedro, California during this quarantine away from USC. I've been doing a few different things to kind of keep myself sane. One of them is I'm lucky enough to hang out with my sisters again who are in high school. Here's my sisters. Together we've made a mentorship organization to connect college students with high schoolers who are looking to get into college. And so that's really been a way for us to feel like we're making a difference right now. Since I'm a senior, I didn't think I would hang out with them too much more before I left for my job up in Seattle. So now that I'm home in LA, we've been doing a lot of activities together, including baking. This is my downstairs where I'm taking my Zoom class. You can see that I'm on my class right now. This is kind of like a gym slash workspace slash everything right now because people are on Zoom in every corner of my house. I just wanted to say to my fellow Trojans, my fellow students, I know it's a really scary time right now, especially for us graduating seniors to go into, the world like this and to be home. But I just want everyone to do maybe what I'm doing, which is thinking about how we can be just really great members of society as we come out of school here, as we come out of our engineering education, which we have such a great opportunity to make change. And so just using this time to think about how we're going to impact the world is really what I'm doing, as well as spending quality time with family and doing things like baking cupcakes and staying connected with all your friends that you've made at school. And I know we'll all get through this together with the Trojan family. So thanks guys, and stay safe. Fight on.